Eagle-eye bloodhound spots the birds. Ready for a shot?
Pathfinder's gonna hit him with a rock.
Oh, from way back here? You guys gotta get closer than that. Or you guys know, but
Look at them feathers flying out of there.
you guys gotta get closer. Get down by that creek.
You better get them.
Here, take these rocks.
There's the birds.
They're gonna get nipped at. Those birds are gonna think they're after their babies and go freaking chase them guys down, man. There's gotta be 100 of them in those trees.
Yeah.
Look at them all. Oh, there they go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look at all.
They scared him.
Look at them. They're not going far. They're just checking out. You want the girl or you want the boy?
Smart. She still has rocks.
All right. Cool. All right, let's interview them. Let's find out what happened. All right. Let's get a quick interview before it gets dark. So here we are, again at Shawnee Wildlife Area. And to tell us what happened, I forget your name.
Pathfinder.
Oh, the world famous Pathfinder, right. What happened?
So I started throwing rocks at him, and then he started doing this.
Uh-huh, look this way.
What's your name? Introduce yourself.
Look at the camera.
Hits birds with rocks.
I was the one that did that, though. You did that and scared them away. So now there's only half of them left in the tree.
Nice.
Because teamwork.
Excellent. Well done. Well done. All right.